My name is Xavier Boix. I work at the Center for Brains, Minds and Machines. In the lab, we develop technologies for machine learning and AI, and these technologies have an impact in society, and they can be used for good or bad. And we felt that we need to take responsibility on this, and this project is also a way to show students how these technologies can be useful for social good. Nicole O'Brien was a grad student in the lab. She did the master thesis with us on fake news detection. After Nicole graduated, Sofia Latessa refined the results and accuracies.
The main goal of the project was to see if the machine could detect real news and fake news, regardless of source and author.
So first of all, we collected a data set of real and fake news.
So this data set had examples of articles that were factually correct and factually incorrect. Our next step is to train our machine.
And what we did in this case, in order to make it even more challenging, we removed from the training all articles related to Donald Trump.
So we fed that training set to the machine. We are saying, this one is fake, figure out why it's fake. This one is real, figure out why it's real. And from that point, we tested our machine.
So the machine has never seen an article that speaks about Donald Trump. And at testing, we only test with articles of Donald Trump. We thought it would be maybe an interesting result to check.
What you read and a lot of what you see on television is fake. They realize it. The people are smart.
After we ran our analysis, we noticed that there is a subtle difference between the fake news articles and the real news articles. Within the fake news articles, it's shown that there are many hyperbolas and superlatives, and within the real news articles, there's a tone that's a little bit more conservative, and the verbs are more carefully chosen.
Yeah, we wanted to see if this could be useful for, not only an experiment in our lab.
So it's really exciting. We created a visualization component. So you can actually insert a body of text, and it'll show you how the neural network is analyzing the article. And it'll say, this phrase is more fake, and this other phrase is more real. Right now, fake news is extremely problematic. We've seen that it impacts society, we've seen that it impacts us politically, and overall, having misinformation spread online can have a huge societal impact.
And I think with the technologies we are developing in the lab, we can do something about it. So that's why we did this project, yeah.